Hello everyone, this is Kartikeya. Welcome to my channel Rimkat. Today, let's learn about vegetable dishes of India. Chana masala. Chana masala is primarily a northern Indian dish, although it is also eaten as a breakfast food in the south of India. Chana means chickpea and masala means spice. So this dish is a chickpea curry made with tomatoes, garlic, ginger, onion and plenty of spices and chickpeas of course. It is usually vegetarian by default. The only non vegetarian ingredient that you might find in this dish is ghee.
మా రిమ్కాట్ ఛానల్లో వస్తున్న ప్రతి వీడియోను చూసి ఆదరిస్తున్న మిత్రులందరికీ కూడా నమస్కారాలు. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేసి షేర్ చేస్తే కార్తికేయ పడుతున్న శ్రమకి ప్రమోషన్స్ లభిస్తాయి. దయచేసి మీ సహకారాన్ని అందించగలరని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా ఆశిస్తూ
Dal chawal. This is a common dish prepared in every household of India. Depending on the region, some families even prepare it 3 or 4 times a week with different ingredients. Dal means lentil and chawal means rice. So this dish is a dish of lentils and rice. We use different kinds of lentils for making different kinds of lentil soups. Kofta. Kofta actually means meatball. However, in India, it is common to see vegetarian and vegan varieties of kofta. Vegetarian functions often include kofta made with lentils or potatoes or mixed vegetables. Kofta is usually served with spicy curry or gravy. If you are familiar with Indian cuisine, then you probably know that there are different kinds of gravies in India. Some gravies may contain butter or cream as an essential ingredient. Kashmiri Dum Aloo. This Dum Aloo is a traditional dish from Kashmir that is made with small deep fried potatoes cooked coolly in a spicy gravy. Although the dish originates from the state of Kashmir, it is also very popular in the rest of India. Vegetable biryani. The first dish on this list is for all the rice lovers out there. No matter where you are traveling in India, you are never far away from a sumptuous plate of vegetable biryani. This is the Indian version of vegetable fried rice. The fragrant rice is cooked with scalloped vegetables and a heaping mix of aromatic spices like nutmeg, pepper, cloves, cinnamon, bay leaves, cardamom, coriander, mint, all that can make your senses go wild. And trust me, you'll end up carving for more. Rajma masala. Rajma is a popular vegetarian dish made of red kidney beans cooked with many Indian whole spices in a thick gravy. It is usually served with roti and steaming hot rice. Even though the kidney bean is not a part of Indian origin, it is still an integral part of the typical diet in northern India. Masala dosa. Made from fermented rice and dal, masala dosa is a super thin, crispy, savory pancake wrapped around a mix of curried potatoes, onions, and spices. It's popular mainly in South India and also neighboring Sri Lanka. This scrumptious dish is served with chutney and sambar and is best suited for breakfast or lunch. The southern city of Bangalore is particularly famous for its many dosa joints and was named India's most vegetarian friendly city. Hara Bara Kebab. If you enjoy munching on snacks but still want to get all the nutrients your body needs, then Hara Bara Kebab is a perfect snack or dish for you. These little round patties look similar to falafel but are made from potatoes, green peas, and spinach. They are a tasty alternative to the typical meat kebab. Bengan bhatta. Bengan bhatta is a simple combination of spices and herbs with char-grilled eggplant, also known as brinjals. It is a flavorful dish that is easy to whip up and is healthy and tasty to boot. Aloo puri. The next vegetarian food item on this list is a bit of decadent treat but is worth every calorie. An essential part of Indian cuisine, puri bhaji is a must-try dish for those who like food on the spicy side. Puri refers to the delicious, crispy, deep-fried puff bread that is served with a delectable spicy gravy made of aloo or potato. If you are traveling by train, you will find vendors selling aloo puri at almost every station. Chole Bhatura, a guaranteed crowd pleasing vegetarian Indian food item, chole is enjoyed by people of all ages. This chickpea based curry not only tastes good but is also packed with lots of healthy ingredients. The spicy, mouth-watering dish is accompanied by puris or batura. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. Meet you in the next video.